YouTube, welcome back. I know it's been a long time, but as you can tell by the title of the video, we are finally doing it. It was more so by force, but then I kind of chose to do it while I was already down and everything was torn apart. So let's go ahead and get into boom. So the Civic is underway for going turbo. So a lot of y'all that don't know, this car has been with me probably like a year and a half now, going on 2. And I planned on turboing it. Still has the stock motor in the D16Y8, in case y'all wondering. And the S40 trans, the transmission is actually the second transmission. I had an S20 in there, but funny story is that broke not too long ago. And so my boy helped me swap it out over at East Side Importz. They helped me go ahead and swap it out, get situated, get right. But I would have to put another clutch in it, like a stage 4 clutch in it, because I plan on making like, I want to see like 330. But yeah, we finally going boost. So of course, you know, you gotta do the famous AC delete, power steering delete. I'm actually waiting on some parts to come in so I can finish doing the power steering delete. I already deleted AC, which you don't need nothing for. Just remove everything. So everything gone, condenser, fan, compressor, dryer sits like right down here. You can't see it. Oh, that little hole right there. The lines go back here. All those are gone. I did the timing belt. It's water pump timing belt, and I actually studied the motor. Like I said, my boy at East Side Importz helped me do a lot of this. Without them, you know, this would have took a lot longer. So shout out to them boys out there. But yeah, we're going ahead and starting to go boost. Right now I'm doing a bunch of preventative maintenance. Like I said, the water pump, timing belt. I'm doing an oil pump now, because after I did the water pump timing belt, like we checked the oil pan, it had actually bearings in there, like the main bearings actually failed, so it had metal shavings of the bearing in there. So I went with a milling oil pump. It's right there. The actual part is right here, but you know, the box, if you want to see the box and what it looked like, is right there. So yeah, I'm going ahead, do everything I need to do for the most part. I wish I had pistons and rods. I would piston and rod the motor right now, but I don't have that. So right now we're just gonna make do with what I have. So studs, oil pump, water pump, timing belt, and then we can put everything on. The turbo manifold is not here with me, but this is everything that I have. This right here, everything, lines, fittings, dump tube, exhaust clamps, brackets, actual exhaust, because I'm gonna actually run the full exhaust. I'm not gonna run a bonnet exit. I don't really want to run a bonnet exit, not right now, at least not for 200 horsepower. So I would have to open everything and show y'all, lay it out in front of the car and show y'all, but I really wish I had my turbo manifold. But yeah, D16Y8 project is underway, and I actually want to keep this motor. I don't really want to go B or K, not in this car. I don't know why. I'm just not really thrilled with going B or K. So I'm gonna go ahead and thug it out with this single jingle. See how much I can get out of it before a boof. We all know that the head is gonna lift, so I have to find a solution for that. And I'm also running coil on plug, so I'm gonna be deleting this distributor. Got that from my boy, also East Side Importz. Sold it to me for a good deal, Honda and coil on plug. So we will be running a Honda S300 in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to this oil pump. so this is the old oil pump. I'm mad because I really just put this seal in, and I'm mad I just put this seal in for no reason. But the new oil pump is in. That's the new one. On this one, it's a little tricky. Don't forget to put the flaps down on there. Make sure they don't get caught up. So that's what my problem was. And also, there's only 5 bolts holding this in. The rest of these are for the timing belt cover. But truthfully, there's only 5 bolts on these in. So, I'll show you on this one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And then once you do that, I just stuck a flathead down here and popped it up like that, and boom, pop right off. I'm gonna put some silicone around it and then go from there. All right, so I guess that's episode number 1 that y'all get to see. So this is episode 1, finally complete. Like I said, I only did the oil pump on this one. I gotta do the oil pan gasket seal. The oil pan gasket. I'm tripping. I gotta do the oil pan gasket too, but I'll do that off the camera. It's nothing special. Just filling in the gap. But yeah, everything back together. You probably can't see it because there's no light, but everything back in here for now is just sitting in here. I'm gonna have to take it back off for the most part, but everything is back in here. That's it for this right here. Like I said, episode 1, we in it. I gotta get a new front bumper too. I broke it when I was at the shop trying to do something. I leaned on it. I ain't even leaned on it for real, but I turned my back towards it and just rested on it, and it said "Scrap." So gotta get another bumper, but it don't matter because all this, I had to take the bumper off anyway, and I wanted another one because it was cracked in like 4 places. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and get another bumper, get everything mounted up, get it cut out for the intercooler. Because I want to put my bumper back on. I'm not one of the people that want to expose my intercooler. I want to keep my car as simple as possible, make it look as simple as possible, all that. So we're gonna see what it is. So that's really it for this video though, for real. If there's anything else that you want to see, or if you might have any comments, concerns, or any advice on this, drop them down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and your boy out. Catch y'all on the next video.